R. Menon from 9th standard, and I welcome you all guys to the monthly news. So let's revise the month of September. On 5th September we celebrated Teachers' Day, and on 21st September we observed Sri Narayana Guru Samadhi by the fabulous speech of Rishika Pachat from 5th standard. First of all, congratulations to all the winners from the 4th State Kerala Penak Silat Championship 2021 organized by the Penak Silat Association Kerala. Karthik Raj Ashika and Adam Aibak got gold medal, Siddhi Mehta got silver medal, and Aaron V. Joseph got bronze medal. Once again, a hearty congratulations to all the champions. On 24th and 25th of September, we conducted Arts Day, and the results are: folk dance, Anora P got first prize, Filsa Hussain and Devnanda K got second prize, Nishta Manhas and Aisha Inara got third prize. Action song English, Nishta Manhas and Devnanda K got first prize, Abhay Krishna and Liba Mariam got second prize, Fatima Suhara, Nia Mehrin and Abni P got third prize. Action song Malayalam, Devnanda K Prasad and Abhay Krishna got first prize, Devnanda K Bilash, Aisha Inara and Arav Sai got second prize, Afni Afnash and Devagnya EM got third prize. From standard 1st to 2nd, storytelling Malayalam, Adi KK from 2nd standard got first prize, Suryadev from 1st standard got second prize, and Arinanda from 2nd standard got third prize. Storytelling English, Prarthana Ethel Unni from 2nd standard got first prize, Varat MC from 2nd standard got second prize, and Arshun Joseph from standard 1st got third prize. Folk dance, Rithi A from 1st standard got first prize, Ritik Subin from 2nd standard got second prize, and Srinidila from 1st standard got third prize. From 3rd standard to 4th standard, English recitation, Anvika from 3rd standard got first prize, and Anhida Akil got second prize. English elocution, Anvika from 3rd standard got first prize, Sri Lakshmi from 4th standard got second prize, and Anadya from 4th standard got third prize. Live music, Anadya Rose from 4th standard got first prize, Swati Krishna from 4th standard got second prize, and Feba from 4th standard got third prize. Malayalam recitation, Devansana from 4th standard got first prize, Vasudha from 3rd standard got second prize, and Swati Krishna from 4th standard got third prize. Malayalam elocution, Devansana from 4th standard got first prize, and Vasudha from 3rd standard got second prize. From 5th standard to 6th standard, recitation Malayalam, first prize, Asim Anwar from 6th standard and Rishika Pachat from 6th standard. Second prize, Muhammad Sayan from 5th standard. Recitation Malayalam, first prize, Atufa Anus from 6th standard, and second prize, Niranjan R. Menon from 6th standard. Recitation Hindi, first prize, Aved Giripadi D from 5th standard. Light music, first prize, Rishika Pachat from 5th standard, and second prize, Muhammad Sayan from 5th standard. From 7th, 8th and 9th, recitation English, first prize, Neelambari R. Menon from 9th standard, and second prize, Devika N from 9th standard. Recitation Malayalam, first prize, Angel Maria from 7th standard, second prize, Kashinath from 7th standard, and third prize, Asmi Anwar from 9th standard. Recitation Hindi, first prize, Prarthana R from 7th standard, second prize, Devavarnika from 7th standard, and third prize, Harni from 7th standard. Live music, first prize, Angel Maria from 7th standard, second prize, Devavarnika from 7th standard, and third prize, Vignesh from 7th standard. Elocution English, first prize, Prarthana from 7th standard, and second prize, Devika N from 9th standard. Maapida Patter, first prize, Angel Maria from 7th standard, and second prize, Devavarnika from 7th standard. Congratulations to all the winners. So that's all for September. Thank you.